Good morning, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back at M B Fisheries, one of our favourite venues. So we'll get set up and we'll come back later.
'Cause I love you for infinity. I love you for infinity. 'Cause I love you for infinity. I love you for infinity.
So the rods are set up. We're using the new Kaizen rods from Corda. A little shout out to my nephews, Alfie and Teddy, if you're watching. Have a good day. So this is the mix I'm giving them today. In my mix is tiger nut slush, bancho nut boilies, flaked maize, hemp, seeds, pulses. And I've also added some bancho nut oil and some bancho nut slab liquid. So that's going out in the bushwhacker on the spots. Time for breakfast. On the stove, I got out the winter carp show. Got a little special guest. So just had breakfast. Lake is getting quite busy. A few people turning up. Yeah, quiet for me, but hopefully we'll come back later and have hopefully something to show you.
And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people leaving.
So just redoing the rods. And I just thought I'd show you what rig I'm using. I'm using two Ronnie rigs. There we go. There we go. Using the bushwhacker. Drop one on the edge of the island. So, something new to the channel, biscuit on the bank. So first up is the all butter chocolate chip shortbread from Sainsbury's. I had a packet of these the other night. I had tried one and I ended up eating the whole lot. So let's have a look at the dunkability. Not bad. Very nice that. Better try another one. So that's this week's biscuit on the bank, all butter, chocolate chip shortbread from Sainsbury's. Afternoon. Little tactical change. Just put a 3-foot zig out off the edge of the island. A little ESP zig bug. So hopefully we may have a little bit of change of luck. Result: the tactical change finally paid off with a 14.4 scaly mirror coming on the 3-foot zig on the edge of the island. So happy days. We're going into the last few hours of the session, so hopefully we can bag another one. We've got one just down there under this overhanging bush, so fingers crossed it won't be too long before we get a bite. Fish number 2 coming from that right hand margin under that overhanging tree. Yeah, happy with that one. Happy days. So, after slipping that last fish back, the rod's ripped off again, the rod on the end of the island, resulting in a 14.4 grass carp, my first one this year. But we're getting into the last hour of the session, but hopefully we can get one more on the bank before we go. If not, we'll finish this video in the car park. There we go, another session done here at M B. Finished on 3 fish, nice little day. Just want to say thank you for everyone who has supported the channel. We're 3 away from 50 now, so please like, subscribe and share. Not sure where we'll be fishing next, but hopefully it'll be next week. So until then, thank you very much. Tight lines.